let's watch down the bottom as we wait for him to go around. We can see Cam going through Smith. Chambers is now back into third spot. In fact, Smith has had a lot of momentum and has probably pulled a few car lengths. Starting to get up onto Cam. He's actually closed in on he pulls off to the left hand side. Smoke coming out of the rear of the car. Chambers' car, I don't think it's, well, it's hard to tell from here, but it looks like tyre smoke. Maybe they're going to come together. Gee, I tell you what, he's washed off a bit of speed on the bus, but Cam has just sort of had a bit of a look and said, no mate, you're not getting it this time around. As they go down the front straight, let's see, the RX7 will probably come into the pit. It's a shame because he was looking very competitive out there. That's going to bring House now up into third spot. Cam, but you can say Chambers is racing.